What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy JD Live, man. I'm live in effect. And y'all see the title of the video. I'm going to teach y'all how to meditate, man, step by step, man, properly. Meditation is something that's really been changing my life. Not going to lie to y'all. Like, my friend, you know what I mean? He put me on to the meditation game, the wave and everything. And during the summer, we would, like, go outside, go to, like, a forest preserve. And we would go, just be out, chilling in nature, really being out in nature, enjoying life and enjoying everything, and just chilling and vibing and stuff like that. And then sometimes we would sit down, we would just meditate for about 5-10 minutes, and we would continue on, just enjoying nature, just chilling and vibing and stuff, right? So like he actually taught me how to meditate. He was like teaching me exactly how to meditate properly. And some people may meditate differently. Everybody probably meditation style is different. But this is kind of how he taught me how to do it. And I'm going to try to teach y'all how to do it step by step as well. So y'all can be doing it on your own. And y'all can be meditating and everything. So before I get into it, make sure y'all hit that like button for me right now. Make sure y'all also comment down below. Y'all know what y'all comment, you feel me? And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new, man. Clicking that red button and turn on that bell so you won't miss another video. I'm trying to post more. I haven't posted like almost a week, but I'm gonna try to get back on it, man. Y'all let me know if y'all really want me to be posting more, man. Put it down in the comment section. But hey, this is how I personally meditate. I actually meditated today before I even recorded this video. It's like 2 or 3 hours before I recorded this video. I already meditated. But this is how I meditate, man. This is personally what I do. Like when I'm at home, I would meditate by, first off, I would be in my room. I would just be sitting down in my bed and I would go on YouTube and I would put on like a meditation sound or music or something like that, right? And I would listen to that while I'm meditating, like with my headphones on, right? And I meditate for about 5 to 10 minutes. I don't meditate for that long. Some people probably do it for 30 minutes, an hour. I do about 5-10 minutes, and this is how I do it, man. So I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all a demonstration. So I would go like this. I would close my eyes and I would breathe in through my nose. 5 seconds, I would breathe out. Breathe out. Close my eyes, I'm breathing in, then I'm releasing the oxygen out, And when I meditate, I like to envision myself like sitting on a mountain, and I would envision myself sitting on a mountain while I'm meditating. And there's like trees around me, there's, waterfalls, a mountain, of cool air. I would just envision myself in a very peaceful place full of nature, you know what I mean? And I would do it before I even start my day, man. I'll wake up in the morning, get out of bed, and I would meditate about 5-10 minutes before I start working, before I start my job or whatever I got to get done in the morning, man. I like to meditate first, man. It's a really good stress reliever, y'all. Like, really, really start meditating, man. Like, really relieve that stress. Do it, try to fit it in your schedule. It can be 5-10 minutes of the day. It don't gotta be 30 minutes to an hour. Just try to find time to do it. And I'm telling y'all will get stuff done. You'll be more productive. It will be easier for you to get stuff done, and you'll be less stressed out. And if you're working a job that you hate, meditation before you do it is gonna make it, it's gonna start to, you're gonna be more in a calm, more peaceful mind state. You're gonna be more like, it's just, I'm telling y'all, like, it does wonders. It's really good, not gonna lie, it's very peaceful, it's very stress relieving. It's just something that, it's just good for the soul, man. It's good for the mind. It's just really, really good to take advantage of that. And, just do it every single day, 5-10 minutes, be alone, be with other people, listen to music while you're doing it, chill, whatever you like to do, but I'm telling y'all, it really does wonders, man. And I'm gonna continue to keep doing, because meditation is very powerful, man. It's just good stress reliever, something that's dope to keep doing and following and all of that, man. So that's pretty much how I do it. So like I said, I like to close my eyes, I'm breathing in, I'm inhaling, and I will hold for like 5 seconds, and then I would exhale, and I would do it for like 5 to 10. Like, I would just keep doing it. You can do it, soft breaths, hard breaths, whatever, however you like to do it. But I like to just do that, and that's how I meditate properly. And then I my mind is just, when I'm meditating, everything is silent, everything is peace. Like, it's just, I don't know. It's hard to really explain it and go into detail. But some of y'all probably meditate already, so you already know what I'm talking about. But y'all let me know, man, if y'all gonna start meditating. Y'all let me know, do y'all meditate in the comment section. Y'all let me know more benefits y'all feel like meditation has. And yeah, man, that's pretty much the end of the video, man. Ain't pretty much to go over anymore. But yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking me. I appreciate y'all liking the channel. Make sure to hit that like button again. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel. And y'all let me know more videos y'all want to see on the channel, man. Give me some video ideas in the comment section. Let me know what y'all want to see if I can start posting more videos again. I do be working a lot. I ain't gonna lie. My schedule kind of crazy right now, so I'm trying to fit YouTube back into the schedule. But y'all, like, give me some ideas so I can, like, get back on track, man. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay safe out there. Y'all stay blessed. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.